If you want to set a custom ringtone on the POCO X7 Pro, first of all you need to go to the settings, then scroll down and go to sound and vibration, and then tap on ringtone. It will open the themes app with the ringtone tab selected, and now you have the option to, for instance, choose a local ringtone. So if you have an audio file saved on your device, then you can select that option and then go to audio files, and over here you can select the ringtone that you wish to add and then press OK. You will then be redirected to the list of ringtones, so you need to apply the new ringtone that you just added and then press OK. Another way to have a custom ringtone is by using this store itself, and we can find a bunch of different ringtones, and let's say I'm gonna just scroll down to find something simple, and let's say I'm gonna choose this one. Of course you can tap on it in order to hear the preview. Tap on the bell on the right side and then press OK in order to download and apply the new ringtone that you just selected. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!